running from my problems, and I know we're older now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out some Russell clay. So first of all, what is Russell clay? Russell clay is a natural mineral clay harvested from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. It has been used for centuries by women from North Africa since the 8th century for hair care and skincare. Like bentonite clay, it has the ability to swell when added to water, but Russell clay has even higher silica and magnesium content, making it especially good for skin and hair. Russell clay can be used as a shampoo, a hair mask, or a conditioner. The benefits of this clay include: Russell clay helps unclog the pores in your scalp, which allows you to have a healthy foundation for healthy hair growth. Russell clay helps to reduce and eliminate frizzy hair. A few of the greatest benefits of Russell clay is that it does help with stronger, shinier hair and also aids in length retention. So if you're looking for stronger hair, then this might be the clay for you. If you have some sort of curl pattern, it's really good for defining curls, coils and waves. So if you're looking for definition, Russell clay is a really good alternative. It's also a natural conditioner and detangler. So to start off, you're just going to need a bowl of some sort, and this is the one that I'm using, and I'm also using extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to use this, but this is what I'm using, and of course some Russell clay. I'm just going to pour about half a cup of Russell clay into the bowl. You can use half a cup, quarter cup, a whole cup, but I'm just going by how much hair I actually have on my head. And I'm just going to put like a drop of olive oil inside there, just because I need some moisture in my hair. And then I'm just going to add some water. I'm only adding a little bit at first, so it's not too runny. And I'm just going to keep adding more and more water until I get a creamy consistency. I'm just going to mix that all together. The type of consistency you want is like a pancake, creamy type of consistency. So yeah, just try and get that. If you want it to be thinner, you make it thinner. If you want it to be thicker, make it thicker. But this is just the way I'm doing it. So starting off on dry unwashed hair, you guys can start off on freshly washed hair if you like, but I'm starting off on unwashed hair. And I'm going to be splitting my hair into different sections. I'm just going to apply some water onto my hair. I'm just going to drench my hair in the water, not soaking wet, but just at least damp enough for the clay to be able to move around into my hair. And I'm just going to apply the clay all throughout my hair. I'm going to put as much of it as I can onto my hair because my hair is really thick, so I'm going to need to put quite a bit onto my sections. As you guys can see, I'm getting instant elongation and definition from this clay, and I'm actually so surprised that this is even doing this to my hair. As you can see, my hair is really clumped and separated at the same time, which is really great if you're someone who loves to do like wash and goes and stuff regularly. So if you do wash and goes, I'll suggest you try this out maybe at least like once a month or something, because it is really messy. It actually got everywhere in my bathroom, so yeah. So I'm just going to continue this all throughout my hair, and yeah, just carry on watching until the next part. Guys, can we just see the definition here? Like, I am not making this up. You guys can see for yourself. If you want to try out Russell Clay, please try it out. It's amazing. Like, look at this. Look what it's doing to my hair. Ugh. After applying everything onto my hair, I'm just going to leave it on for like about 30 minutes until it gets just a little bit hard, not too hard. And I'm just going to rinse it off. So, rinsing it off wasn't so hard. It just takes a little bit of time. But as you guys can see, like, the curls are popping. Oh my god. Look how shiny my hair looks. I can't fake that. It looks so good. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. If you guys want to try it out, I'll leave the links in the description bar for you. Forgot to mention that after I rinsed it out, I just needed to shampoo my hair a little bit, and I just went in with my regular shampoo and a tiny bit of conditioner. But yeah, that's all I use. If you guys want to see my wash day routine, I'll leave it up in the bar for you guys. And yeah, that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Wait, so Mazzato made this?
Are you Ellie?
It's Mary Jane, mad lots in the game.
And the game done chose me.
To break pain, pretty women, fake thugs, one and the same.
Ever since you told me
There's only room for two, I'm making less room for you.
now only God can hold me.
Hug me, love me, judge me, the only man that offers above me.
I met so many men, it's like they're all the same. My appetite for loving is now my hunger pain. And when I'm feeling sexy, who's gonna comfort me? My only problem is their insecurity.
Tired of being alone.
been on the